Hi guys. Let's start with E-myspot. E-myspot.com is a tool that allows you to create a site. You have nothing to install. It's free, you have to register. The manager is the space where you manage your site. If you add a page, for example, a photo, an article, everything is put online automatically. Click on Go to the site. Modules. Pages. Photos. Shop. Contact. You can activate all modules by clicking Modules. Manage modules. A widget is a brick of content displayed in a menu. For example, blog, videos, photos. There are hundreds of widgets. Internal widgets. Free widgets, you can add texts, images, HTML codes. External widgets, example, the Facebook news feed or the possibility to leave an opinion. Adding content to your site is done by modules like the tool for creating pages, text, images, videos. Go to Pages, Manage Pages and click Add Page. Register to publish your page and see the result on your site. Example 2, create a contact form. Your users can contact you by completing a specific form, for example to create an online quote or a registration form. Go to Modules Contact and click on Add a Form. You can add the fields of your choice. Choose the recipient then publish your form. You must also promote your site and put it forward to get out of the shadows. Referencing a website goes through an indexing phase and an optimization phase. The newsletter allows you to communicate and promote your site as you can add a list of subscribers. You can pay to get targeted traffic. For example, you can buy keywords on Google AdWords to highlight results on the chosen words. Advertise your site by sharing your site on social networks, exchanging links with other webmasters, contributing to exchanges on forums in the same theme as your site. The creation of a site is free, without time limit. For €0 per year and for life, you can create a site that will have an address in E-myspot.com. Advertising. 150 megabytes storage space. You can turn your free site into a showcase site, without advertising and with the personalized address for €95 including VAT per year, accommodation included. So you will have a site with a personalized address, in, com, fr etc as you wish. Without advertising. 2.5 gigabyte storage space. Exclusive features in the manager. You can also turn your free site into a rental site, without advertising, with a personalized address and all the options of the booking module, for €179 TTC per year, accommodation included. So you will have a site with a personalized address, in, com, net as you wish. Without advertising. 5 gigabyte storage space. Exclusive features in the manager. All options to manage reservations and online payment. Finally, you can turn your free site into an e-commerce site, without advertising, with a personalized address and all the options of the boutique module, for €323 TTC per year, including accommodation. You will have a personalized address, in, com, fr etc as you wish. Without advertising. 5 gigabyte storage space. Exclusive features. All options to sell online with the store module, including CB payment. Secure access to the site https:// That's all for today. See you in another video.